Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Seconds Before Chaos Erupts by Code Blue Cam.
Hello. Hello. How you guys doing today? Good. I'm Investigator Says with the Campbell Police Department. The reason I stopped is I didn't see any seatbelts on anybody. Hi. You got one on there back there?
Yeah,
And it's missing the door handle.
just got on
Okay. Well, you know, when you're driving, especially with kids, you got to make sure you have those on in case you crash. It's pretty important.
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license, insurance card on you?
But my name's Gunner.
Okay. Is that a feather? Nice. How do you spell that?
G-U-N-N-E-R.
E-R?
Yes.
And were you looking for insurance? Or?
Your mama really named you that? Or is that your street name?
Okay. But do you have a valid license or no?
Mine's actually, I'm in the process of getting it reinstated.
Okay. So not currently?
Yeah, not currently.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
I have a permit.
Permit. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go check on a couple things. Guys, just hang tight in the car. I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay?
Y'all about to go to jail.
Based on a records check, it was determined that Gunner's driving privileges had been revoked due to OWI-related issues and had a previous conviction for operating after revocation.
Dumbass.
Additionally, he is on 2 misdemeanor bonds and is also required to have an ignition interlock device installed in the vehicle. But before we continue, let's hear a quick word from today's sponsor.
Fuck you.
What age they are? Thanks. I think he's on 2 bonds not to drive.
Is she valid?
She's got a learner's permit, so with him not being valid, she's not valid. You went by without a seatbelt on.
Oh, yeah. Were the kids seatbelted in when you got up there?
No, but the one kid, it's like belted behind him, so he like threw the shoulder thing over him.
Your driver is revoked. Reference non-compliance for OWI, 1 prior OAR, 2 bonds, both no condition misdemeanors.
So we got that breeze going, huh?
I can't feel I'm in the air conditioning.
Must be nice. Tell you what though, after I switched to these new pants, it helps a lot. They're a lot thinner than the 511.
Oh yeah? What kind are those? The blower?
Yeah. Now I have summer and winter pants.
In consideration of Gunner's children being present, the officer kindly had him walk back to the squad car to place him in handcuffs. However, upon learning of his impending arrest, he began begging not to be arrested before quickly turning it into a shit show.
Let's pull him out, hook him.
You gonna bring them behind the squad or?
With the kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
He about to act a plumb fucking fool.
Connor, can I have you step out here with me, please?
Yeah.
I'll just walk back here.
I'm not going to jail.
Yeah, I just don't want to put anything in front of your kids, but you're on a couple bonds and you're driving over those, so I have to take you to jail.
Yes, no, like, can you just come in like, go to court one more time or something like that?
Can I what?
I can't afford that because I'm about to start school.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Place your hands on your back, okay?
Yes, we just, please.
No, I can't do that.
Dude, yes, dude, no. Can't you do something
You
with it?
committed
No.
like 3 crimes.
Crash out happening in 3, 2, 1.
I know, but still, can you please just, no, dude, please, no, man.
We can't.
No, what do you mean? How many days or
okay.
what? I can't, dude, please.
It's not up to us how many days.
Please,
You'll have to see a judge.
no, when though, man? Please, can you work something out?
It's gotta be Tuesday.
Please, no, dude. No, dude, please, can you stop, dude? Can you stop? Work something out with me here, dude. I'm about to start school. No, dude.
He about to cry.
No, please, dude. No.
Is there anything in your pocket at all?
No, I'm about to start school, man. Please.
Nothing in your clothing and your underwear hidden anywhere?
No,
Is there?
I got nothing.
What do you got the needles for? The
Sewing
pins?
needles.
Throw those back in the car, okay?
No, dude, please. Dude, can you just do like another warning just one more time, please?
No, I can't, man.
Why? Come on.
Looks like you got a bunch of warnings.
No.
Just stop twisting around. You want to tighten this handcuff?
No, man. No.
Just relax.
What do you mean, dude? No.
Stop doing that, okay?
No, look at him. God damn it.
Uh-oh, it's about to go down.
As he neared the squad car, he started to physically resist and soon unleashed uncontrollable yelps.
No, man.
You're going to get another charge. Right now you don't have it, but you're going to get it, so just stop.
Why, man?
Grown-ass man.
Stop.
What, man? No. No. I don't want to go inside. No.
Uh-oh, I knew it. I knew it. Just like a cat trying to get neutered.
Go back in the car.
Gunner then began smacking his head in the front cage, which caused a laceration to his forehead.
Kids out of the car.
What he's doing?
I don't know what he's doing. Get the kids out of the car.
He is having a bipolar moment right now.
Stop it, man.
Wait, what are you guys doing?
Get the kids out of the car, okay?
Wait, what's going on?
You're gonna get the kids out of the car.
That car is getting towed, baby.
Josh.
Wait, why though?
Why is he acting like a 2-year-old though?
Any reason why?
You don't have a driver's license. He's going to jail.
No, I do have it.
No, you don't.
I
You
have
have
a
a
permit.
learning permit.
Yes,
With
I
the
have a-
permit, you need a valid driver to
I
drive
know,
your car.
but I guess like checking my car or something.
We're gonna have the dog sniff your car. Get the kids out of the car, okay?
He did that shit on purpose so he can get more attention on him.
Connor, stop it, dude. Ah, crap. He's bleeding.
Final purchase or tri-phase.
If I have no drug charges, so I don't know why you guys doing this to me.
Get the kids and step out of the car, okay? We're gonna detain you as well for obstructing.
Oh no!
Then get the kids and get out of the car, okay?
At least she's smart.
Where are you bleeding from?
These nuts.
Why would you do that, dude? I know, son. He's just bleeding from the forehead. Banged his head off the cage.
I know he got a mad, nasty headache. Shit, that shit look like it hurt.
Step over here with the kids, okay? Hi. You're scared? It's okay. Everything's okay. Just step over here by the air pump, okay? With the kids.
Can
Come on.
I give a sister a call?
We'll get your phone in a minute, okay?
Can I grab my phone, Ellie?
In a minute. Walk over there with the kids. Looks like you just got a cut on your forehead. Hey, I got the ambulance coming, okay?
No, man. I can't go to jail, dude.
You must owe somebody in jail some money or some ass.
It's just misdemeanors.
No,
Now you just got a resisting charge.
no.
Why is he acting like that?
I don't know.
I mean, he just freaked out and...
Because he's starting school soon, and like he didn't want to go to school, and he's just starting school soon, so he doesn't.
He's on 2 bonds not to drive for driving while revoked. He's got to have an IID installed in his car. He doesn't
Come
have
here.
that.
Come here.
You can't just freak out and act like that, you
I know.
Why can't you guys understand this? Like, one more time. Come on, dude.
Not with you acting like that, boy. Your ass cooked.
He does have really bad too. How long is he going to jail for?
Probably until the judge sees him, maybe Tuesday. I mean, it's not going to be very long. The judge might even look at things like over the weekend and let him out sooner, but
Okay.
Not with him acting like that. His ass cooked.
if he fights with us and acts like this, it's not going to be quick. You know, he's just making things worse for himself. So,
Come on, guys.
Subsequently, a free air sniff was performed on his vehicle, yielding no positive alert.
it made it so much worse.
No, why?
Now you got blood running down your forehead, and now you picked up...
I can't afford to go to jail now. I'm gonna put my life back together. Like,
Listen, are you going to cooperate with the ambulance when they get here so they can clean you up? Please.
I don't think he is. I think he gonna act a fool again.
I don't want blood running down your forehead. Okay, can we make it better?
no, man, no.
Please?
No. I'm really bad.
Oh, I'll leave the window cracked like this. I don't know. You know
I think he about to crash out again. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
why he's doing that, but what's he doing? He calm down at all? Or? Just got a dash. I don't see that going that way, but
I don't think nobody did.
Put my handcuffs on because I was like, oh, I see what this is. I think just the cage there. What'd you hit your head on, Gunner?
I don't know, man.
Alright. Dude, are you gonna be cool when the ambulance gets here?
I don't know.
So they can clean you up?
He said, I don't know. Hell no.
It'd be cool. I can't afford this, dude.
Are these your kids, Gunner? Are those your kids? Think about what you're doing, man. Think about what you're doing in front of
You're being a shitty stepdad right now.
them.
Yeah, I know, but like, you guys gotta understand, man.
That was dumb.
I can't afford to go to jail, man. You guys can't just let me open another warning or something?
Nah, once you get into them handcuffs, your ass grass.
Still going to jail, you just go to more charges now.
Why? I mean,
And you fought.
what do you mean I fought, dude? Do you know how long I'm gonna be in jail for this?
I don't know. I think it's just misdemeanors, dude. It wasn't worth doing what you did.
What is that? I mean,
It means you're gonna have to go to court on Monday.
which Monday? Where's Monday?
Today's Saturday.
Oh yeah, your ass cooked.
No, come on, dude, you gotta go work something out with me. Come on, please.
Connor, stop it. That's not gonna help. Hopefully he shows out here so they can actually.
He need to be tranquilized. I bet he ain't gonna hit the head no more. That shit is ringing.
Get off, dude. Hey, seriously, man. Right? Be real with me for a second.
I ain't being real.
He on drugs.
Right?
He ain't even gotta ask.
Hey, the first responders are gonna come and they want to clean you up. Okay? Can you just please cooperate with them? Please, please, please. Okay? They just want to help get you cleaned up, dude.
I understand that, but dude.
Is that okay? Are you gonna do that for me, please?
I'm just about to get my life together, dude.
Be out on Monday. I'm sure of it.
No, dude, I can't go, man. I start school on Tuesday, dude.
Alright, well then you'll be out for that.
No, that's not the whole point. Like,
How bad's he bleeding? Pretty good? That's a problem with signature bonds.
you guys can't let me on a warning or something? One more?
He gotta be intoxicated, because how many times you gonna ask that, bro?
Why not?
Because we're past that point.
No.
Connor, stop.
I can't stop.
Very resistive, self-caused laceration across the forehead, like banging his head. So I don't know if you'll be able to do anything, but
You might want to just talk to him through the window first. See if he's gonna.
What's going on here, bud?
Nothing, it was just a mistake. That's it.
What?
It's a mistake, right?
What was a mistake?
I don't know, I just got pulled over, man. I can't afford to go to jail, dude.
Well, I don't have anything to do with that.
If I open up the door, you gonna cooperate with me?
Yeah.
What, did you cut your forehead?
No, he not. He
Oh,
not.
no, they just pushed me inside this cop car and started beating up for that, dude.
So I'm guessing you hit your head up here on the sledge?
No, it happened when they were shoving me inside the car and they took it open.
what can I help you with?
So what is going on? And is he bleeding or something?
Yeah, he's bleeding because he hit his own head on the front of the car when we put him in there because he doesn't want to go to jail. He's going to jail because he is driving while revoked. He's on 2 bonds not to drive, and he's supposed to also have an IED installed in his head. So bail jumping, 2 counts of that, driving while revoked, and resisting arrest.
Okay.
His injuries only from himself banging his head against the front wall of the squad car.
Right.
Okay. So she needs somebody with a valid license to take this car and the kids and everything. Okay. Is that you have a valid license?
I didn't bring it with me.
Okay.
But you guys can.
Do you have a valid license?
I do.
Okay. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Also, like with
Okay.
kids this age in the car, they need car seats and they need to be strapped in. So in case there was a crash or something, they don't go flying out of the window and die.
Right.
Facts.
Right. Are you okay? So what's the worst that can happen? I mean, do you think he's gonna get a signature bond or like?
He's probably gonna get a signature bond Tuesday. It's a holiday weekend, so Monday they won't have court.
Ooh, that's gotta suck balls.
But Tuesday, and we tried to tell him that, but he couldn't understand. He just freaked out and
My
started.
boy got arrested on a holiday weekend. Okay, I see why he over there tripping now. Shit, that shit sucks.
So,
Yeah. It's fine right now. Yeah, I know.
yeah, whatever it is, like he just can't do that shit. So
I guess I'm telling you, you gotta be like, oh, it's okay, just I will put money in.
she tried to calm him down. We tried to calm him down. He just wouldn't calm down. So hopefully, I mean, we got to take him to the hospital, make sure he's medically okay to go to the jail. But he's gonna go to the jail for now.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Any questions from anybody else?
No.
Okay. Thanks.
907 to 707. We're going.
You big dummy.
No.
Copy.
Connor, you're gonna make your head worse, dude. Please. Just try to breathe for me, dog. He's been cooperative.
Uh-oh.
He was charged with misdemeanor counts of resisting, obstructing an officer, operating while revoked, failure to install ignition interlock device, and bail jumping.
Damn!
He also racked up several citations, which totaled over $1,000.
Damn!
Lastly, he was released a few days later on a $1,000 signature bond with
Boy, they just gonna keep raping his pockets.
no conditions. Head over to Code.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out.